In the rapidly evolving landscape of work management and project execution, artificial intelligence, AI, has moved from a futuristic concept to a tangible enhancement in many software platforms. For those deeply entrenched in project management, the question of whether a tool leverages AI is increasingly critical, as it directly impacts efficiency, decision-making, and foresight. So, when considering a powerful platform like Smartsheet, a common question arises. Is Smartsheet using AI? As a project management expert, I can confidently state that yes, Smartsheet is actively integrating and utilizing AI capabilities to enhance its platform. Smartsheet has been on a strategic path to embed AI into its core functionalities, aiming to empower users to work smarter, not just harder. This isn't just about buzzwords. It's about practical applications that genuinely streamline project workflows and data analysis. For years, Smartsheet has been known for its robust automation features, which allow users to set up rules to perform repetitive tasks like sending alerts, updating statuses, or requesting approvals. While these automations are incredibly powerful and often appear smart, they are rule-based and deterministic. AI, particularly generative AI, takes this a step further by enabling the system to understand natural language, generate content, analyze data in more nuanced ways, and even predict outcomes. Smartsheet's approach to AI is focused on augmenting human capabilities, not replacing them. Their goal is to help users cut through data complexity, automate tedious tasks, and gain deeper insights for better decision-making. Here are some of the key areas where Smartsheet is leveraging AI. 1. Formula generation. For anyone who has struggled with complex spreadsheet formulas, this AI feature is a game-changer. Smartsheet's AI can now generate formulas based on a simple, natural language description of what you want to achieve. How it works. Instead of remembering specific functions and syntax, you can simply type a request like, find the sum of the budgeted cost column and the actual cost column, or if the status is complete and due date is in the past, mark this as overdue. The AI processes your request, understands the context of your sheet, like column names, and generates the correct formula. Project management impact. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry for users who aren't spreadsheet gurus. Project managers can quickly create custom calculations for tracking budgets, progress percentages, risk levels, or resource allocation without needing extensive formula knowledge, leading to more immediate insights. 2. Text and summary generation. This AI capability helps users rapidly create content or summarize information directly within their sheets. How it works. You can prompt the AI to generate text based on existing data in a row or column. For instance, you could ask it to summarize the comments column for this task, or draft an email update for the project name, based on the status and next steps columns. Project management impact. This feature saves valuable time on reporting, communication, and documentation. Project managers can quickly draft status updates, executive summaries, or even client communications by pulling relevant data directly from their project sheets, ensuring consistency and accuracy. 3. Data analysis and visualization. Moving beyond simple summaries, Smartsheet is embedding AI to help users analyze data more profoundly and generate compelling visualizations. How it works. With an Analyze Data tool, users can ask questions in plain language about their sheet's content. The AI can then generate responsive charts, aggregated metrics, or identify trends based on the data. For example, show me the top 5 highest cost tasks, or what's the distribution of tasks by assignee? Project management impact. This transforms raw data into actionable insights without the need for complex pivot tables or manual chart creation. Project managers can quickly grasp the health of their projects, identify areas of concern, and present data-driven reports to stakeholders with minimal effort. This is crucial for making informed decisions and responding proactively to project challenges. 4. AI assistant for help and guidance. Smartsheet is also utilizing AI to provide on-the-spot assistance to users. How it works. An AI assistant can answer Smartsheet-related questions by leveraging the platform's extensive knowledge base. It's like having a smart help guide that understands your queries in natural language, helping you navigate features or troubleshoot issues. Project management impact. This reduces the learning curve for new users and provides quick support for existing ones, allowing teams to be more self-sufficient and productive without always relying on dedicated IT support or extensive training. Smartsheet's responsible AI approach. It's important to note that Smartsheet emphasizes a responsible approach to AI. They assure users that their data used with AI tools is secure and not used to train the public AI models they leverage. This focus on data privacy and security is paramount, especially for enterprise users managing sensitive project information. Beyond current features, the roadmap. Smartsheet's commitment to AI extends beyond its current offerings. Their roadmap includes even more innovative AI-powered features, such as AI-powered chart creations, further automating the visualization of data for dashboards, AI-powered guided project setup, providing personalized recommendations to help users launch projects more quickly and effectively. Scenario planning for projects. Leveraging AI to compare project and resource options, spot risks, and assist in decision-making. Agentic AI. Exploring AI that can anticipate user needs, offer proactive guidance, and even recommend optimal projects or resource assignments.